Hello to all, welcome back to yet another calculus video. I hope everyone is doing well, especially with the world going crazy this year. I apologize for not uploading last week. There was some personal situations that came up, and as much as I love making videos and love helping out whoever's watching these, I must admit that this is a hobby and some things have to take precedence. But I appreciate you watching, and you're not here to listen to me ramble, so I'm going to skip on over to what we're talking about today. Last week, we talked about two rules of solving derivatives. These rules are called the power and constant rule. This week, we're actually going over two relatively simple rules, but once again, these both will apply to every single derivative you solve. So pay attention, you'll be very grateful you did. Both are actually extremely similar this time. The sum rule states that the derivative of two parts being added together is equal to the derivative of each part added together. That sounds complicated, but visually, as you can see, it's a lot easier to understand. The difference rule states the same, just between two parts being subtracted instead. For example, let's say we had to take the derivative of x squared plus 2x to the fourth power. As you remember from last week, we can use the power rule to find each of these derivatives. So we get 2x for x squared and 8x cubed for 2x to the fourth power. According to the sum rule, we then know that the derivative of the whole function is 2x plus 8x cubed. Give this next one a try. 2x to the fifth plus 3x squared minus 2x. As usual, I'll be doing this in the background, but please give it a try yourself before looking. And there we go. The derivative is 10x to the fourth power plus 6x minus 2. If you didn't quite get that, please check out last week's video and rewatch this one for some review. Thanks for watching. Next week we'll be jumping into a brand new and much more complicated rule called the product rule. Until then, keep on learning.